Oh no! All the screws on the floor? No problem. Watch top 6 best magnetic pickup sweeper tools on bluwmai. All purchase links are available in the description and in the first comment. 1. Neiko 24-inch. This quality tool is designed to pick up loose metal pieces with an impressive loading capacity of up to 55 pounds, making it an ideal choice for garages, workshops, and job sites. Its strong magnetic base ensures that no nail or screw is left behind, making the cleaning task effortless. With its telescopic handle, you'll be able to adjust the height according to your needs, meaning goodbye to back pain while cleaning. Additionally, the ergonomic handle with quick-release grip provides you with comfort and convenience, allowing you to handle the sweeper with ease and precision. The durable wheels with rubber grip enable you to maneuver effortlessly on various surfaces, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning in any environment. And when it comes to emptying the swept objects, the easy pull lever allows you to release them quickly with a simple push. Get your floor metal saver now. With Neiko's magnetic sweeper, you can keep your spaces tidy and safe quickly and easily. 2. Toolwiz 24-inch. Toolwiz Rolling Magnetic Sweeper. Constructed with high-quality materials like aluminum, plastic, magnet, and iron, this essential tool is practical and convenient for sweeping metallic particles such as screws, nuts, nails, washers, and any other metal debris you may come across. One of its standout features is its pickup handle that allows for quick debris release, making it extremely easy to operate. Additionally, it features 2 wheels that enable smooth movement over carpets, grass, and concrete floors, making it the perfect tool for any environment. This magnetic sweeper provides an ideal solution for cleaning up small ferrous metal objects, offering safety by removing loose nails, blades, sheet metal scraps, and sharp metal shavings that could pose a hazard in the workplace, yard, garage, or even at home. With a loading capacity of up to 33.1 pounds, this magnetic sweeper is sturdy and durable, suitable for any road condition. Furthermore, its silicone handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, while its adjustable length and height ensure an optimal and safe cleaning experience. So don't wait any longer, get your Toolwiz magnetic sweeper today and keep your space free from metal debris quickly, easily, and safely. 3. Joyful Flappers. With a quick-release lever on the magnetic sweeper and a quick-release cap on the magnetic disc, you can safely dispose of the metal you collect without wasting time. The magnetic sweeper allows you to easily pick up nails, screws, nuts, washers, bolts, wires, and any other metal debris from the ground. With a capacity of up to 20 pounds, this sweeper glides smoothly on 4-inch polyethylene wheels, making cleaning on any surface effortless. Additionally, the kit includes a 3 3/8-inch magnetic disc, perfect for accessing and picking up small parts in hard-to-reach areas. With a capacity of up to 4 pounds, this magnetic disc will help you retrieve fallen metal objects in tight spaces. Proudly made in the USA with high-quality materials, this combo kit is a must-have addition for any builder or DIY enthusiast. And best of all, its adjustable telescopic handle from 30 to 55 inches ensures comfort for users of all heights. Get your hands on the 2-in-1 quick-release magnet combo kit from Joyful Flappers today. Make cleaning up metal debris quick, easy, and safe anywhere. 4. Towallmark. This magnetic handle sweeper is the perfect solution for picking up any lost nail or screw, ensuring a safer working environment. With an impressive load capacity of up to 33 pounds, this magnetic sweeper is a true cleaning powerhouse. Whether in a garage, workshop, or job site, this heavy-duty magnetic tool ensures efficient cleaning of the area. What makes this sweeper unique is its extra-wide magnet, which covers more ground and picks up more metal than other smaller sweepers. This means you'll save time and energy during cleaning thanks to its extensive coverage. The quick-release handle is a standout feature. Lift it up and the ground magnet will instantly release all attached magnetized metal pieces, allowing for quick and efficient cleaning. Additionally, the handle is extendable, reaching from 29 to 45 inches to prevent bending and straining your back. And don't worry about rough terrain, the large 7-inch wheels can roll smoothly on any surface, from carpets to hardwood floors. Plus, the wheels have adjustable space clearance for easy use in any situation. The Towallmark magnetic sweeper is the perfect tool to keep your construction site clean, safe, and hazard-free. Don't wait any longer to get yours and simplify your daily work. 5. VEVOR 24 inches. This heavy-duty magnetic sweeper with a load capacity of up to 50 pounds minimizes the need for multiple trips to dispose of collected metal debris, saving time and increasing productivity. Constructed with high-quality materials such as aluminum, plastic, magnet, and iron, this sweeper is designed to withstand the rigors of demanding work environments, ensuring reliable and long-lasting performance. Safety is a priority, and this magnetic sweeper plays a crucial role in maintaining a safe work environment by efficiently picking up nails, screws, and other ferrous materials. This reduces the risk of injuries to workers and prevents damage to equipment and vehicles. With its extra-wide 24-inch magnetic rectangle, this sweeper ensures full coverage and efficient collection of metal debris, even small particles. Additionally, its quick-release handle function simplifies the cleaning process, allowing for quick and effortless debris release. The adjustable handle, ranging from 30.3 to 44.5 inches, accommodates users of different heights, adding comfort and ease of use. In summary, the VEVOR rolling magnetic sweeper is an essential tool for keeping your work area clean and safe. Don't wait any longer to get yours. 6. TUFFIOM. With sturdy holding magnets capable of lifting up to 30 pounds, this sweeper makes cleaning up nails, screws, and other ferrous debris efficient and effortless. Crafted with high-quality materials, the TUFFIOM magnetic pickup tool is built to last, ensuring reliable and long-lasting performance in any work environment. The quick release function allows for easy removal of all attached particles with a simple lift of the handle, making cleaning a breeze and streamlining the work process. Equipped with 7-inch all-terrain wheels, this sweeper offers smooth rolling on grass, carpet, and concrete floors, ideal for industrial or household use in lawn, patio, warehouse, and home storage. Additionally, the adjustable telescopic handle, ranging from 30 to 46 inches, ensures comfort during work and eliminates the need for bending backward and straining. With 3 adjustable heights available for different surfaces, this magnetic sweeper easily adapts to your cleaning needs. The TUFFIOM rolling magnetic sweeper is an essential tool for keeping your work area clean and safe. Don't wait any longer to get yours. Magnetic metal sweepers are efficient and practical tools designed to quickly and effectively collect metallic objects. Subscribe to bluwmai. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.